Plumbum, a metal, also famously known as lead, is the reason why your cars, your bikes, your tractors, or for that matter any of your automobiles can start to move. It is the heart of the lead-acid batteries your vehicle depends on to power up its lights, air conditioners, ignition and all other energy-consuming features. For lead ore or scrap lead to turn into the powerhouse of these batteries, it takes method, expertise and industrial might. SPES is a company that has been on the progressive path of providing reliable energy solutions in India since 1984. We are the industry leaders in the manufacturing of lead for application in large-scale industrial and domestic purposes. Our products are marked for the highest degrees of purity and quality, thanks to the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility and our philosophy of putting quality above economics. We manufacture and trade lead in its various forms, including lead ingots, grey oxide, crude lead and other lead alloys. Let's have a look at how we do that. After we receive the scrap batteries, the primary constituents of our raw material, the batteries are cut and the scrap lead is separated, which is then processed in 3 stages that produce each of our 3 end products. In stage 1, smelting. The pulverizer heats up the rotary furnace consisting of the lead from the scrap batteries to a temperature of 1200 degrees centigrade, and then the molten lead is cast into lead molds, which eventually cools up to form our first product, crude lead. In stage 2, alloying. The crude lead is sent into large stirrers where it is heated to a temperature of 800 degrees centigrade and stirred well to leave behind impurities and obtain pure lead cast in the form of our second product, lead ingots and pellets. In stage 3, ball mill process. Refined lead ingots are the required input for our LSO manufacturing plant, which uses the ball mill process. In the ball mill, lead is converted to lead suboxide in an exothermic process in conditions of a maintained temperature range of 135 to 145 degrees centigrade and constant airflow. This gives us our third product, grey oxide, which is used on an extensive scale for the preparation of plates in lead-acid batteries. As a measure of ensuring a pollution-free production, the gas chambers of each of these plants is connected to an air filtration facility where residual gases are filtered and safe to breathe air is let back into the atmosphere. To ensure purity of the manufactured lead, we test the samples with our high-end SpectroLab spectrometer while also simultaneously testing chemically for the minutest of impurities. SPES is a vision achieved as a result of immense dedication through years under the unequaled leadership of its founder and chairman, Mr. Hiralal Thakral. 3 decades of unmatched quality and trust have made SPES one of the largest suppliers of lead to all major battery brands in India and globally. We are experts in manufacturing pure lead up to 99.98%, calcium lead alloy, selenium lead alloy, high tin alloy, grey oxide and red oxide. We also manufacture iterations of lead according to custom specifications, with storage being the next immediate concern in the quest to find sources of alternative energy. SPES certainly is a building block to the backbone of the power industry in the years to come. SPES, your lead to the future, your lead to the future. Shri Padmavati Energy Solutions.